In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Walmart app account efficiently and securely. Whether you've decided to bid farewell to Walmart's online services or simply want to tidy up your digital presence, making sure you delete your account properly is crucial. So let's dive right into the process, ensuring that each step is as smooth and clear as possible. First, start by opening the Walmart app on your mobile device. If you haven't already done so, make sure you're signed into your account. Enter your email and password, tapping the sign in button when you're ready. It's important to double check that you're using the correct credentials, ensuring that the account you're about to delete is indeed the one you intend to remove. Once you've successfully signed in, direct your attention to the bottom right corner of the screen. Here, you'll find an option labeled Account. Go ahead and tap on this, as it will allow you to access your account settings and options. This step essentially functions as the doorway to all the personal information tied to your Walmart experience. Navigating through these settings is straightforward, and it's structured to guide you effortlessly to the information you seek. Now, you'll need to scroll down to the very bottom of the account page until you see the Delete Account option. It may be less visible on the interface, depending on how much information is stored in your account. But don't worry, scrolling with a gentle swipe will reveal it. Clicking Delete Account is a significant step because it signals your choice to disconnect from Walmart's app services permanently. After selecting this option, you'll be prompted to follow the on-screen instructions to finalize the deletion. Take your time reviewing any confirmation messages or additional prompts, as this step is where you'll confirm your decision. These instructions are typically straightforward, providing transparency about what deleting your account entails. If during this process there are any warnings or recommendations about data loss or its implications, pay close attention. This is your last checkpoint before your account is permanently closed. Finally, should you need reassurance or confirmation that your account has been deleted, watch for a confirmation email or notification indicating the successful removal. It's always a good practice to ensure that you've completed all parts of the process. And there you have it, a concise guide to delete your Walmart app account. By following these steps carefully, you can be confident that the process will be seamless and complete. Whether you're moving on to new digital shopping avenues or simply scaling down your online footprint, understand that you are managing your online environment responsibly. Thanks for watching, and remember to reach out with any questions or thoughts about future digital housekeeping needs.